So pretty in here. What's up, you guys? Happy fall. I'm so excited for the weather right now. It is the perfect day. It's Sunday. It's quiet in the house. We're gonna bring fall into the house. I'm actually partnering up with Desenio. They sent over some gorgeous posters. We're gonna frame them and hang them and change up the scenery in here. Joey's actually hunting today, so he's gonna come back and it's gonna smell like apples and fall, and we're gonna have new pictures, and just really excited for this. I feel like I've needed a day like this. I also went to Target and I grabbed a couple cute little things, so we'll kind of put those around the house today. I'm really excited to bring you along. If you don't know about Desenio, they sell prints and posters that are really high quality. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I actually have a code with them. They kindly left me, so I'll leave that on the screen. That's good for about a month, and that gets you 45% off of prints, not the canvases. Their frames are also just stunning, and it's so fun to make gallery walls. They have millions of prints. I mean, maybe not millions, but so many to choose from. You can really have a lot of fun with these. I'm actually gonna swap out some of the prints today to make it a little more fall, which is so fun. I actually kind of picked ones that will kind of go into winter. So thanks for joining me today, and let's get into it. I don't know about you guys, but I see these bags and I just get hyper. I want to show you guys what I picked up. Okay, first off, I got 3 of these just stems. And I can see these going in the kitchen or over here, maybe even the bedroom. I like that they're green with just like that little bit of maroon. I think these are gonna be perfect for fall. I'm so sorry about the neighbor. I'm like fuming right now because I need to film this and he's so annoying. Okay, so these were like $10 each. Then I grabbed this cute little pumpkin. I'm obsessed. This was in the little section right when you walk in, and it was $5. Oh, I just wish you could smell these through the screen. So this is pumpkin bourbon. It is a soy wax blend. Pumpkin puree, harvest apple, ripe peach. Oh my gosh, so delicious. And then it's like this little marble. I picked up this pumpkin vanilla, which of course just smells unreal. It's got like the frosted glass. Just wanted a pop of maroon or like a wine color, so I grabbed this. Then I grabbed this, it looks like a vintage, almost boucle knitted pillow. So the whole pillow, it's not a cover, it's an actual pillow. This was at Target too, and this was like $20. I love the color and the print. Then I grabbed these little pumpkins. I just think they're adorable and easy to just throw in for some prints, and I just think they're so cute. That is actually all I got from Target. But, I mean, we're gonna make this table look so cute. So here's what we're working with. We have all of these prints and frames. I'm gonna open up the prints really quick just for you to see it. So the art comes in these. I picked the best prints that were on Desenio. I was looking for hours and hours. So I'm really excited to share these prints with you guys. We have these 2 little ones, Believe in Your Dreams and Winter Market. I was very excited about these. These are called Tactile fabrics, so I got number 1 and number 2. This is called The Little Pond. Then I'm just in love with this. This is the Mark. They're gonna go in the kitchen. The last prints are a bit larger. This is the Abstrait Sourdine. This one's gonna go right in the front. This beauty is called Time for Wine. I'm so obsessed with this artwork. This is gonna go in our kitchen, and I'm really excited to add a little color in there. This is the Nadia out Cheveux. This one is a really famous print. This one is Henry Matisse, and I just love the simplicity of this one. And last but not least, for our bedroom, we are going with Postcards from Positano. This is such a gorgeous print, and I actually got the matte board and the bigger frame for this. Very excited to see how that's gonna look in our room. So easy, you just push and pull right out. I love how easy they make this. These you can use to actually map out exactly where you wanna hang your print on the wall. So it's really nice because it's the exact size of the poster. So it's a great guide. You take the protector off, you just pop the gorgeous screen back in with your print. Make sure it's face up. Oh my my god, there's a spider. Oh my god, it was so tiny. Okay, now it's gonna be crawling everywhere. Oh. If you're looking to do a gallery wall, Desenio is definitely it. And the prints are pretty affordable, which makes it easy to swap them in and out. Especially because too, I can never decide. I always want to do so many different ideas, so I'll save them. I'll like screenshot pictures of them and save them. Voila! This is going to really warm up the area and add a little bit of fall to my table. Yeah, this is a bad one. From sprinting to sleeping and watching the deep end. And all those kids know how to swim, and that's fine. What do we think? I love the texture from the border. I just think it looks so stunning, and I cannot wait to get her up. We're far from where we started. This is the room that I'm going to redecorate. So this table is not ready for fall, as you can see. This room is just kind of off of our backyard, and it's just a nice room to chill out. And then of course, I have decided to change out these prints. I love them so much, but they kind of just blend in with the wall. And I thought pops of green would look really nice with the light over it. This is another area we'll be redoing. I'm actually embarrassed to say that I have not swapped out this Be Merry and Bright print since I bought it. But I got that little guy from Target. So cute, and we're just gonna rearrange all of this. This is inspiring because I think prints just change up the room. So let's see, this is the before, and we'll see how it looks when I swap everything out. We're making a beautiful mess, honestly. So excited. Out with the old, and we're gonna go in with the new. That's something I really love about these prints. It is so super easy to switch it up. This is going to take less than a minute to change out. This is the little pond. I'm not even kidding, this took me under 60 seconds to swap out the prints. Kind of crying to say bye to my spaghetti girl for now, but we're gonna change it just for a little bit. That is the beauty of these prints. Print. Just like that. And the final gorge, time for wine print. Seriously, perfection. Should be pretty easy. We're just gonna do the two little frames. Oh. Oh, I'm obsessed with that. That looks so good. And I have these kind of more fall flowers. We're just gonna set there, and then I'm gonna add a couple little things in here to make it really fall. Last pair. Love how this came out. Just a lot more fall. I'm just getting my comfy sweater on. So this is the table as it is right now. Pretty boring, pretty basic as you can see. So I'm going to use the black frame, and I feel like that's gonna give it the contrast that I want, and then we're gonna decorate. So I put the flowers in this Target vase. The stems look so good. And already you can tell this is like, seriously, looking so cute in fall. Again, there. I absolutely love this frosted candle. Set it there. All right, here is with everything placed. I love the darker hues in here. The tones are so perfect for fall. Desenio prints together look so beautiful. Be happier with how this looks right now. I'm sure I might change a thing or two, but it's really looking so cozy. A little green pillow right there with a blanket. Now time for a little fall in the bedroom, and I think I'm done for the day because this has been a lot. I already changed my sheets. I did this really beautiful green color. I'm not the best at making my bed, but I tried really hard. Basically, we have this empty space here, and I've always wanted a large frame, and I think the Positano one will be amazing. This room is still a work in progress. I still have to get curtains, and I really want to get a new light fixture and all that. But for now, I just propped up those two little things so I could see height-wise where I want it. But I have the print right here. This room just has a lot of character and a lot of vintage pieces, because that is what I love. Like, I have this vintage little chair, this vintage chair. So I think it'll look really good in here. Joey's in here, so now I'm asking him. I feel like here, maybe? Oh, wow, this is helpful. Move it over 2 inches. Yeah, and then down a tiny bit.
Get something for, like, the bottom corner over here.
Well, I have, like, tape and everything downstairs. I just didn't go get it yet. Tiny pink pen mark. I just placed the art where I think I want it. I did measure this out and map it out. So, should be as easy as just getting this in here. It's out perfectly to hang it. And Joey got the nail in. I did not, but that's okay. Moment of truth. With this little addition to the room, I just put that little plant there. Just want to get like a little sconce or something. But this is a dream place of mine to visit. So I want to wake up every morning and strive for that goal. I was obsessed with how this came out, and I feel like green is the perfect addition for the kitchen. So cheers to that. I hope you guys like it too.
This is about